It's connecting. Connecting. Good. We're going live. All right, guys. How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing, baby? Today was a pretty wild day in the market. I'm not gonna lie. All right, we have a lot of stuff to go over. We have a lot of great stuff to go over. A lot of great information in regards to the stock market and to the crypto market. Okay. Now, yesterday I did mention I want to start doing more live streams for you guys to make sure you guys have the best information out there that there is, right? And I feel like this is probably the best way that I could probably tell you right there on the spot, right? So let me take these links off, okay? So regards to the stock market, let's start with the market first, okay? The top gainers for today, Paris Farms, I believe it's called, they're up 103%. Okay, that's pretty huge. Had to like really research what's actually going on. I'm pretty sure since the pharmaceuticals, it's really big. Okay, now the reason I kind of want to talk about the stock market is because of GameStop and AMC. Okay, we're gonna get into that in a little bit. Okay, the top gainers, that's probably part of the most active list of stocks. Okay, the first one is the one that's up 103%. Sundial Growers up 5%. AMC Holdings up 20%, 19.96%. Castor Maritime 2.75%. All right. Now, AMC, guys, there has been a lot of talk between Wall Street Bets, what's actually going on with, AMC and GameStop. It's all good. Okay. We have Neo, Apple, and if we scroll back down here, we have GameStop somewhere. GameStop was one of the top traded too. Okay. Now, one big thing, guys, before we actually start about the market, this is big news for me, and I do believe this will actually start to change how the market is going to be acting moving forward. Okay, almost half the states will cancel pandemic unemployment programs. Florida is the latest one to opt out. They just broke this news today. Okay, now I'm from Florida, so I kind of see why they will cancel it, because there has been a lot of people that are basically not working. There is a worker shortage right now. Okay, now they're talking about that on June 26th they're going to cancel all these benefits, including the $300 a week and the $300 a month benefit for people that have been getting benefits from the pandemic. Okay, so Florida is the next one that's going to be coming up. There we already have Texas that's going to also cancel it on May 26th. Like a lot of these are either next month, May 26, May 19, May 19, May 26. Okay, so when this stuff actually does happen, workers may start to get a little worried to see what's actually going to happen about how they're going to get money. Because at the end of the day, in my opinion, there are some people taking advantage of unemployment because there's no workers. Now, before the pandemic, there were a whole bunch of workers. Now there's barely any workers. So let's talk about it. So AMC, wrong page, guys. So AMC, guys. So AMC just got a huge price target raise from Citi. Okay, Citi analyst Jason Bazinet, I think I said his name correctly, raised his stock price target from $2 to $3.70. It's almost doubling his price, right? Now, AMC right now is trading for around $16 to $17. So their price target, even though they raised it almost 50%, it's still way far from what it actually is right now. Okay. Now there is some movement regards to Wall Street Bets that AMC and GameStop both have the potential to reach $100 and $300 respectively. So there has been a short squeeze regards to AMC and GameStop for some time now, since I believe for the past 6 months, 9 months, something like that. Don't quote me on it, but it's just been happening consistently. Now, so AMC and GameStop skyrocket as Reddit traders rally around meme stocks. This is the same thing that's going on. Wall Street Bets. It's making an effect to the market one more time. Now, guys, if you guys actually go to Reddit and actually go to Wall Street Bets, you guys will see what's actually happening. This is the type of movement that they actually have right now. Okay, so if you guys go to Wall Street Bets' Reddit, you can see that the community has 10.2 million people right now following this this channel or this thing, right? And I kind of want to talk about this one right here, because before I started live stream, I started reading this technical analysis of how GameStop could go from $190 to potentially $300. And I haven't read it yet. I kind of wanted to go over it with you guys, first-hand research, So I want to call to your attention that the fact that GME has been consolidating for 2 months and looks ready to launch. above 190 to path looks open to around $300. I mean, if you guys look at when you guys look at technical analysis, okay, so there's a lot of different types of investors in my eyes. Okay, there's people that actually have technical analysis, people that don't really look at charts, or just invest into stocks because of value stocks or dividend stocks. And those type of investors don't really look at the technicals or charts like this. Okay, so if you guys do look at charts like this, you might understand it more than a dividend investor or a long-term investor or a value investor. Okay, so they've been consolidating for some time now, and now is where Wall Street Bets is trying to pick up the pace, pick up that momentum one more time, going like a train. They're trying to pick up that momentum, and around here is where it reaches all-time highs, and they're just trying to break it one more time. Okay, their goal is to get to GameStop to around $300. That is their goal right now. Okay, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Do you guys think it's going to go to $300? Are you guys holding GameStop? Okay. I have a lot of tabs open, so it might be going a little bit slow. I apologize about that. So you can also see, I was watching this meme right here, or this footage, and how it feels watching the GameStop chart each and every single day. Okay, and it's a loop. It's a loop. It's like a range of emotions. You expect it to crash, it doesn't crash, and then it just keeps on going. All right. There's been a lot of people actually making a whole bunch of money off of GameStop, with regards to callings, regards to and actually investing into GameStop and actually having a whole bunch of money into it. Okay, so let's see. Let's talk about the gainers again. All right, let's see what most active. So AMC went up because of the price prediction. Okay, does anybody have any questions? Does anybody have any questions to what's been going on so far? All right. So another one that's been very big and we've seen a lot of movement so far has been Virgin Galactic. Tilray, have to make another Tilray update video. It's up 2.86%. This is one of the most traded stocks from Robinhood. It's one of the most held stocks from Robinhood, behind Apple and Amazon, I believe. But Tilray and Sundial Growers are one of the most actively traded each and every single day on Robinhood. Okay, Tilray was never like a big company until they just merged in with Afria. Now they're considered the biggest cannabis company out there is, based off of revenue. Okay, so that's going to be very big. They haven't officially given us an earnings report yet. Hopefully when they do give us an earnings report, we are blown out the water, because there's just a lot of stuff on their shoulders to kind of see, what's actually going on and what's not going on. All right. Plug Power was another one that was supposedly short squeezed, and it just got a lot of attention. When it all started last year, when Tesla started to pick up a whole bunch of attention, then Plug Power started to pick up a whole bunch of attention too. Like it was trading for, I believe, less than $2, less than $3. Now it's trading for $27.81, which is pretty nice. It's pretty good. All right. More than Pfizer broke. So Pfizer, for the past couple of years, it has been very stagnant. It's always been trading around $30, $32, $33, and the past couple months is gained so much. Right now it's almost at $40, all right, because of the vaccines, COVID, all those things. But still, when the vaccine actually came out, when Pfizer came out with it, it still stayed stuck around the $30 range and never really broke out of that resistance. Now it's almost at $40, all right? Let me know if you guys are holding Pfizer. That's a pretty good one to invest in long term. And it's also a pretty good dividend stock as well if you guys are dividend investors. DraftKings is another good one that's been picking up a whole bunch of momentum. I don't know if I'm looking for naked brands. All right, I guess I can't find it. So that was pretty much naked brands, all right? Naked brands. Did I pass it? Probably. Bank of America has picked up a lot of pace too. Last year, I think I picked up Bank of America when it was like $22. I picked up a couple of shares. I know I was never really a believer in banks. I always thought banks was going to get taken over by cryptos, which is the other part of the live stream that we're not there yet. And it's just, it was just something that I just picked up because it was so dirt cheap and the type of potential I actually had. I just got it and I'm still holding on to it. It's not the greatest dividend stock that you could have in your portfolio or anything. It's just, it does good. It does wonders, right? And it has, so far, it did a pretty good return. American Airlines, the airline industry, guys, has been very, very promising, let's say, in the past couple months. Okay, it's been doing better. It's been getting better. All right. Naked Brand is up, you said? Naked Brand, I found it. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Jack. Naked Brand, up to 54 cents. All right, this is another one that is, always active. Okay, this is another one that was very short squeeze, and is very popular amongst retail investors as well. AT&T just made a big move, guys. They're basically gonna separate their Warner Media, their HBO Max, and combine that part of their media part of the media part of the company with Discovery. Okay, now AT&T is solely gonna be focused on telecommunications. It's basically their bread and butter. Okay, now when they do separate that company and merge with Discovery, it's still going to be part of AT&T. They're still going to make some sort of revenue. I believe 72% of the shares of that new company is going to be owned by AT&T shareholders. Okay, I'm not sure how that's actually going to work. If anybody that's actually holding AT&T stocks right now is going to get a piece of it, I'm not too sure about that. So let me know, like, if you guys do know what's going on. I haven't really dug in like really, really deep. They haven't announced what specific date. They haven't announced the name of the new company, but that new company is supposed to like compete with Netflix and Disney Plus, and it's going to be very big. On top of that, like, I have many friends of mine that love HBO Max way more than Netflix because it just offers just a little bit more than what Netflix does. Man, I mean, Netflix has so much stuff right there now, way more than HBO Max, but for some reason people are more inclined to go into HBO Max and get more entertained, let's say, than Netflix for some reason. All right. All right, guys. So, those are pretty much the stocks I wanted to talk about. Another one was Palantir. Palantir has been picking up a lot of pace. I believe in Palantir long term. I've been making Palantir videos for quite some time now too. I've been looking at Palantir for quite some time now too, and it's been very, very promising for me, at least. All right, so guys, let's talk about cryptos. All right, so Goldman Sachs, this was a very big one for today in the cryptos world. Let me close some tabs to make sure the computer goes a little bit faster to stop lagging. All right, so this one has been very powerful in the crypto world, right? Goldman Sachs was never a real believer in cryptos until recently. They just said that cryptos was never a big asset. Okay, Bitcoin is not an asset class. Okay, now they're changing their minds, and now they're even considering to have cryptocurrencies in their ecosystem, into their transactions. Okay, so that's going to be very big. Crypto, a new asset class, quite a comprehensive report by Goldman. Okay. They just basically flipped a huge 180 in a year. Again, crypto has been going up very, very steadily, and it's been very big. Okay. Now, guys, regards to the crypto market, today we are down 4.28% with a global market cap of $1.6 trillion. Okay. The total market cap volume over the past 24 hours is 187.56 billion. Down 12.06%. Yesterday, the average volume was around $220 billion, so it has come down quite a bit. All right, Bitcoin down 3.98%. So Bitcoin, guys, let's look at the Bitcoin chart really quick. Bitcoin just yesterday when we did the live stream yesterday, it was almost at $40,000. All right, and today it hit a low of around $36,500. And it's just been very, very volatile right now. Okay, like Bitcoin, for some reason, like, people are always talking about Bitcoin and how Bitcoin could change everything, and then they just turn around and start bashing on Bitcoin. Okay, so we all know what's going on with China and how China is basically restricting or eliminating cryptocurrencies from their realm, right, from their population. Okay, so this report that I started reading, guys, Bobby Lee says latest China Bitcoin ban. Nothing to fear, and it's nothing new. China has been trying to ban Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for quite some time now. Okay, China has taken a more active role in regulating Bitcoin, but that won't be a blow to Bitcoin in the long run. It will be a benefit, Bobby Lee says, the founder of Crypto Wallet. Okay. This was the one. China will ban Bitcoin again and again. By some future date, Bitcoin will be over $100,000. Okay, that's something I do believe too. I do believe at one single point, Bitcoin could probably reach $100,000. And then once it reaches $100,000, I agree with what he's saying. Once it reaches $100,000, China will be like, okay, did we mess up not having Bitcoin or cryptos into our banks or allowing it in? At the same time, I understand why they're trying to ban it. They're trying not to get hacked. They're trying not to do stuff like that, right? So 100,000 and have more regulatory agencies. And the question is, what more can China do to ban Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? It hasn't already banned everything. Now they're going to go after mining, apparently. That's true. China operates in a way where they rarely change the rules. Changing the rules can be very controversial. What they do, What they do is they change enforcement. That's why these verbal announcements are just a signal to the market that they're going to step up the enforcement again. I mean, I never really looked at it like that. China has already tried to say it a couple of times that they're going to ban Bitcoin. They said it in 2017, 08, I believe. And this is probably the third or fourth time that China's going to be banning Bitcoin. Okay, we have no idea how true that is. But hey, we will see. Ethereum is down 3.76%. Okay, so we'll talk about Ethereum. So Thither never really moved. So I'm going to just skip right along with that one. Binance Coin. So Binance Coin was a very big story in the past couple of weeks because at one single point it was down almost 60%. All right, so it's been gaining a whole bunch of attention. At one point, it was the 6th most valued crypto on the market. Now it's back up to 4. Okay, it will soon overtake Thither, I believe, because I don't think Thither right now is going to be valued more than Binance Coin. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about that. All right, Cardano down 2.95%. Okay, Dogecoin down 5.52%. XRP down 0.35%. There's a Polkadot down almost 10%. Internet Computer down 10.68%. I really gotta do an Internet Computer video for you guys, man. Like, I feel like nobody really knows what Internet Computer actually does or what they do or what they're trying to portray or anything. I really gotta do a video for you guys and just inform you guys what type of potential and what type of movement Internet Computer can actually do, man. So get ready for that one. Might do that one, this upcoming week, or I might talk about it a little bit more in our next live stream. Uniswap down 4.12%. Litecoin down 3.53%. Chainlink down 1.66%. Polygon, this was a big one that I want to talk about today. All right, so Polygon, guys, it just had a huge endorsement, let's say, or a huge investor that just basically said, I believe in Polygon. All right, so Polygon yesterday was trading for around 74 cents. It says 75 cents, okay? And then it broke back up to a high of $1.89, okay? So this is just a 7-day chart. We take a look back at the 1 month chart. You can see that it doesn't really have any movement. Right here, when it went back down to around 70 cents, was the same consolidation that it had just a couple months ago. It just had a couple weeks ago, I apologize. And then at one point, it broke to $2.54. Okay, and that's a pretty big jump. Okay, that was probably one of the biggest all-time highs that I've ever had. Yeah, So what is Polygon? Okay, so for people that don't know what Polygon is, because when I first heard about it, I'm like, what's a polygon? Is that like a new shape or in math or whatever? What's Polygon? So Polygon is the first well-structured, easy-to-use platform for Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development. Its core component is Polygon SDK, a modular, flexible framework that supports building multiple types of applications. Using Polygon, one can create optimistic rollup chains, ZK rollup chains, standalone chains, or any other kind of infrastructure by the developer. Okay, so one big investor actually started saying, I've been using Polygon more and more often. Of course, that's to be one of the big people. That was one of the big people that's been trying to flood Dogecoin. That's Mark Cuban. Mark Cuban invests into Ethereum layer 2 Polygon. Okay, he states, I was a Polygon user and found myself using it more and more. He did not say how much money he's invested into it, but he's invested into it. Okay, the price of Matic is another word for Polygon, like their ticker symbol, I guess. The native token of Polygon is up more than 9,535% year to date. That's huge, man. I was a Polygon user and found myself using Polygon more and more. So he confirmed this to the team for CoinDesk. Okay, so this is 100% authentic and true information. This is a tweet that Polygon actually said. Is one of the most prolific and insightful investors with investments in top startups, and he is also one of the sharks on Shark Tank. We are proud to share that Polygon is now part of the Mark Cuban company portfolio. That's pretty big, you know. So let's look at Ethereum really quick. So I was talking about how Ethereum was down just a little bit, right? It was down 2.90%, all right? And just yesterday, let me see. Yeah, just yesterday, it was almost around $3,000. It hit a low of around $2,300 today, and since then has slowly started to recover, you know, here and there, okay? So Ethereum is another big one that has a huge price movement today too. So let's look at XRP. XRP is down 0.42%. It hasn't really broke $1 today. That's good. It broke $1 today. Let's look at the past week. So the highs that it did the past week was around $1.62. It went back down to 69 cents. Pause. All right, and then it broke $1 again once again. Okay, while all the cryptos were actually down around this time, very early in the morning, you know, it was around 88 cents too. Cardano, let's look at Cardano really quick. Cardano almost down 3%. Same thing. Cardano was trading around 165. Not too much of a movement. Excuse me. Not too much of a movement. And it was down to around $1.44. Cardano's another big one. So yesterday, when I started talking about Cardano, many people didn't know what Cardano is. And I talked about how Cardano is basically trying to improve off of Bitcoin and Ethereum system. They're trying to combine what's good about Bitcoin and Ethereum, make it better, and basically you get Cardano. Okay, I still have to make a Cardano video. Don't worry, that one's coming up as well. So one that's been very popular nowadays is been Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is down 3.46%, and it hit a high of 38 cents. Today it's at 34 cents. Okay, so it went as low as, let's say, 32 cents. Okay, so yesterday I talked about the Dogecoin millionaire. He didn't post a video yesterday, but I'm kind of waiting for him to update us on what's going on with his portfolio, what's his opinion. He's going to tell us to probably diamond hand everything, buy some more, and just continue doing what we're doing. So that's going to be a very big one too. All right, so let's scroll down. I saw a comment. You guys wanted to know about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu down 11.71%. Okay, so let's quickly take a look at their chart. Let me see. Let it load. For some reason, it takes a little while to load. So while it's loading, let me take a sip of water. All right. So Shiba Inu was a token that's been getting burnt. I mean, a lot of investors have been getting burnt by it because they've invested into it where it was at its all-time highs. Not as all-time highs, but like the highest it's been for a very long time. And there's a lot of people that I know invested where it was at 0.0003389, and then it crashed. There's a guy that I follow actually on Facebook, like in a Facebook community in regards to cryptos, like, bro, get into Shiba Inu, man. I've made $1,000, bro, and I'm buying some more, and I'm buying some more. He bought some more, and I guess he started to average up so much that when it crashed, like I think he bought like around this area, when it was at 0.001436, right? He had in total like $5,000 to $6,000 invested, all right, and he made a pretty good return out of it, and he kept holding. So now he posted a message today. Actually, he said, "Damn, man, I don't know why nobody told me to get out of Shiba Inu. That was the worst mistake of my life." So a $6,000 investment dropped back down to like $3,500. So he actually lost some money out of it. And he regrets it, and he pulled out. He didn't diamond hand that. He did not diamond hand that whatsoever. All right, so what is Shiba Inu? Once upon a time, I like that. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog. The dog was a Shiba Inu, and this dog has inspired millions of people around the world to invest money into tokens with the dog's image on it. It's considered the Dogecoin killer. That's a weird, like, what is a Shiba Inu? Because it was a dog, and the dog inspired to be a token. That's a very, weird way to describe what Shiba Inu is. Shiba Inu is not what this is. Shiba Inu is basically trying to get better returns than Dogecoin. They're trying to give you an idea that you could own trillions, billions of Shiba Inu tokens and make even better returns than Dogecoin. Okay, so there was also a comment that you guys asked me: do I think Shiba Inu will reach $1? I'm not really too much in depth with Shiba Inu. I research it all the time because people ask me all the time. Do I believe it will reach a penny? Or let's say it will eliminate a couple zeros? You know, I do probably believe with all the hype that people have been doing, it will probably kill off a couple zeros. How likely will that happen? You know, it all depends. It all depends on the type of hype. So it all depends on the type of hype. Dirty trick, you think the market's going to go down even more? I'm down on all my coins. Yeah, I mean, it all depends on what price target you actually start going into your coins. You don't have to answer, but would you mind sharing with us what was your price target for certain coins and what type of coins you are invested in? You know, that's a pretty good starting point to see if I could kind of rebuttal you a little bit. All right, so let's start there. Let me just keep talking until you message back, if you message back. All right. Also, price averages. What's your price average on certain tokens? And why did you invest into certain tokens? Are you new into investing into cryptos as well? That's a big question as well. All right, so let me know. While I'm waiting, I'll wait for you to answer. All right, no reply yet. So let's keep going. PancakeSwap. So PancakeSwap, a lot of people did not know who PancakeSwap was or is until a lot of these new DeFi tokens, these new retail tokens have been coming in. These meme tokens, let's say, right? So now, for example, I like to talk about SafeMoon a lot because I'm a real big believer in SafeMoon. I love SafeMoon. I love Bonfire. Those are probably two big meme coins or speculative coins that I'm invested into, and that many people may not know. But you just can't trade them off anymore. You can't go to Coinbase. They're not listed on Coinbase yet. Hopefully they will be next quarter or in a couple months. Hopefully they will be. Right now they're in the application process to do all that stuff. And hopefully they will be. But right now you actually have to like download your Trust wallet, buy BNB, turn your BNB into Smart Chain BNB, go to PancakeSwap, swap your BNB into SafeMoon. Swap it into SafeMoon or swap it into Bonfire. And that's how you're gonna get your tokens, right? But the thing is, while you're doing those transactions, while you're buying BNB, turning it into Smart Chain, you're gonna get taxed like a fee. When you turn from Smart Chain to SafeMoon, you're gonna get taxed a fee. And then on top of that, SafeMoon also has a fee as well. So your $100 investment turns into like $80 or something at the end. But still, I mean, you guys don't have to invest too much money in regards to those tokens, right? Those meme tokens like SafeMoon, because they're cheap. They're trading at 0.000444444. You know. All right, so to the newcomers, how you guys doing? All right, Dirty Trick finally responded. You are invested into Shiba, SafeMoon Cash, SafeMoon, Bonfire, GMR happy. My whole portfolio is down. I have no choice but to hold because I don't know how to sell before a dip with my wallet. So that's one of the biggest complaints that I've heard from many people, okay? Once you're investing into SafeMoon, right? Once you have SafeMoon, the biggest pain in the butt is to actually take out your money out from your wallet, especially Trust Wallet. Because I tried to take my money out because I was invested into SafeMoon Cash, and it went down for like quite a bit, and I tried to take it out, and it was just a pain in the butt, man. Like at the end, I just left the money there. I bought some more, averaged better my averaged. And then yesterday, you saw the returns that SafeMoon Cash did yesterday. It did pretty well. So now that you mentioned SafeMoon Cash, let's see if I could put it up really quick. All right. So SafeMoon Cash has been, in my opinion, it does have the potential to grow. The big idea for SafeMoon Cash is to basically get 25% of the market cap of what SafeMoon did. Okay, the highest market cap SafeMoon actually hit was 5.6 billion. And right now, SafeMoon cash, the last time I checked, was around 100 million. SafeMoon cash. This is the website I use to like look at my charts more in depth. This is dex.guru, just in case anybody asks or is asking. All right. So I mean, it's not doing too bad. SafeMoon cash is not doing too bad right now. 0.00003 of a penny. Yes, dirty, and yeah, you're right. The coins will be burned. I saw, which will hurt me even more. Yeah, that's probably the worst part. You're gonna get taxed. I mean, a lot of people do invest into like SafeMoon and SafeMoon Cash, Bonfire, for example. Bonfire is another popular one that I'm actually investing into Bonfire. They love it because of tokenomics, right? So since you're investing into SafeMoon, did you see what actually happened and what they announced today? That yesterday I talked about how they're listed in 15 different exchanges right now, right? Out of those 15, only 7 have tokenomics, right? And today they announced that 2 of them, like 2 of the ones that were missing, are not going to follow through with the tokenomics, okay? That they tried their best, but those 2 exchanges are not going to, they're not going to budge, they're not going to incorporate tokenomics. So I always talked about how SafeMoon has the potential to actually get listed into Binance, right? And if SafeMoon ever does get listed into Binance, that would be very, very huge. That Binance is the biggest crypto, platform that there is. So if they do get listed into Binance, the amounts of people that are gonna have the access to SafeMoon is gonna be extraordinary. Okay, I think the average volume every day they have around 5.2 million people or users, per day. So that's huge. So if SafeMoon could get listed there, that could be a very huge thing moving forward, right? But now these 2, I'm not gonna call them mediocre, but these 2 lower leveled crypto exchanges are not gonna allow SafeMoon to do their tokenomics. Well, what is that gonna tell you about Binance? Will Binance even allow that? I don't think Binance is allowing anything like that with any other cryptos. There's a huge argument that SafeMoon will not get listed on Binance because SafeMoon is also trying to have their own exchange. Okay, I always have a counter argument with that too. Binance is also starting their own NFT marketplace, right? SafeMoon is going to sell NFTs and they're also going to do their own NFT marketplace. Okay, so that kind of reminds me of Refinable. Refinable is another one of these other new speculative meme tokens that just came out, and they specialize in NFT marketplace. Refinable, right? So Refinable is partnered up with Binance. So they're already listed on Binance, okay? So right now, Refinable has started to work and give us a glimpse to what their NFT marketplace actually could do. SafeMoon hasn't really given us that yet because they're working on many different things. But Refinable is only specializing in that one aspect, right? So if Refinable that specializes in NFTs could get listed on Binance, why can't SafeMoon, right? Now, Coinbase is a competitor for Binance too. Coinbase has a coin called Coin, ticker symbol COIN, Coin. And that coin is listed on Binance, right? So if Binance is profiting from listing Coinbase, why can't Binance profit from listing SafeMoon, right? Because SafeMoon is very, very popular. The CEO, I believe, the owner or founder of Binance, he stated that if a token has a very popular demand or is very high volume, we will list it, that they will list that crypto on their platform. SafeMoon has more than 2.2 million holders, has a huge following on Reddit, Twitter, wherever you go, they have a huge following. So I do believe at one point, SafeMoon could probably get listed into Binance. It doesn't matter what type of competition they have. At the end of the day, Binance makes money because of the trading volume. So if there's a lot of trading volume for SafeMoon, business-wise, it makes sense if Binance does list them. Okay, so let me know if you guys don't agree with me, or let me know if you guys do agree with me. Okay, I have this discussion almost every couple of days. So now that I'm talking about, this is SafeMoon Cash's chart. Let me see. Let's look at SafeMoon. All right. So I have this discussion almost every single day with somebody about how SafeMoon is going to be that next big crypto. Like, I personally believe that. At one point, I do believe SafeMoon could probably reach 1 penny. So right now they have a price of 0.0044860. They've been gaining some momentum. You can see right here. Let me draw some for you guys. They've been gaining some momentum right here, right? And right now they're in a bit of a resistance right here, but I still see it. Like I still see it shooting upwards. Like I still see it shooting up. I don't see it going down, especially with the types of green candlestick. They're up right now like 4.79%. I think like 10% of the day. Right? Yeah, like 10% of the day. I just pretty believe I believe SafeMoon could probably be that next big crypto. Like no lie, I think we're probably catching Bitcoin at its very, very early stages. While Bitcoin was less than $1, I think this could probably be that next big crypto. Okay, now SafeMoon Cash, because you also mentioned SafeMoon Cash. SafeMoon Cash is trying to not capitalize on the momentum of SafeMoon, but they're also trying to be different in their own way. Okay, I don't think they're ever going to be as big as SafeMoon. I think they're probably going to get really close to their 25% mark, but I don't think they'll probably hit it because the movement is not like, I haven't seen any too much movement in regards to the community, regards to the team. The team right now hasn't even shown their faces right now, so many people are still believing it's a rug pull. I'm not 100% convinced it is or it isn't a rug pull because of the certain things. For example, there was another person that sent me a screenshot of how SafeMoon Cash, let me see if I can put it up for you guys too, how SafeMoon Cash had a 7.5% whale, right? And then when somebody started to roast them and started talking about how this one particular account has 7.5%, while supposedly there's not supposed to be any big whales, that one account out of nowhere disappeared. Now the only big holder is 3.2%. The account that has 7.5% is nowhere to be found. This conspiracy, the rumor has it that one account broke down into separate different accounts. Okay, so it could probably be 3.2%, 2.8%, 2.6%. Like those three accounts could probably be that same account or the same holder, just three different accounts, you know. I don't know how that works. I don't know if it could be manipulated like that. I don't know how truthful that is, but it does bring up some red flags regards to if it is a rug pull or if it is or not. Another red flag is, we haven't seen nobody's face yet. How can we actually trust somebody if we don't know who you are? All we hear is your voice. Anybody could use like one of these voice recorder things, change up your voice a little bit, and you change your voice. Even Bonfire, I'm not sure if Bonfire is on the BSC scan yet, but even Bonfire, even Bonfire, the marketing team, the only person that hasn't shown their face regards to Bonfire is the actual creator, the CEO. Everybody else has shown their face. Okay, now when will he show their face? When will he show his face? Not too sure. All right. Dirty trick. I was nervous about SafeMoon Cash at first because I thought it was a scam, but it looks like they have big stuff planned. Yes. Like if you look at SafeMoon Cash's long-term prospects and what they're trying to do, they do have a lot of plans, but a lot of people have plans. SafeMoon has a whole bunch of plans, right? Everybody, I love SafeMoon, but we haven't seen any movement, in regards to SafeMoon. All we've seen is, look, we're planning to do this. We might release it this way. For example, their SafeMoon wallet, right? They're going to have beta testing June 15th, right? So that's very big. And to me, like that was a huge movement because they said, oh, we're going to have a wallet. We don't know yet. We're going to have NFT exchanges. We don't know yet. Our listings, we don't know yet. Like everything was, I don't know yet. The SafeMoon Cash does look a little cheap though. Yeah, the website does look a little cheap. Even go to the Bonfire website, it looks cheap. But in their last AMA, or at least regards to Bonfire, they said that they're going to improve on it. They even gave us a little idea or a glimpse to what new features that website is actually going to have. SafeMoon Cash, we haven't said anything. The only thing that I made a SafeMoon Cash video just yesterday. Okay, they posted a tweet on their Twitter that they're gonna update their moon map or the roadmap, okay, on Wednesday, tomorrow. Okay, excuse me, that they're gonna update it tomorrow. What's gonna be updated? I don't know if they're gonna tell us the types of plans, what type of exchanges they're going to get to. Supposedly they're in the process to get put on CoinMarketCap, because right now they're not. That's one of the biggest things. So in CoinMarketCap, right? I'm in CoinMarketCap. All right. I look for SafeMoon Cash. Nowhere to be found. Right? they already applied it to get listed here. You know, once you get listed here, your money and your currencies and your price action is going to get shown on Trust Wallet, okay? Because a lot of people always ask me, I don't see my money growing or moving down in Trust Wallet. What's going on? What's going on, man? What's going on? So that's another big one. So let's look really quick since you're here. Don't judge is my Twitter account. Anybody wanna follow? Y'all can follow. Safe Moon Cash. I apologize for the slow internet speed. So Safe Moon Cash. The evolution of cryptocurrencies, and we are the revolution. All right. Look at this, bro. I haven't seen this one. Posted 24 minutes ago. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. Ooh, don't know what the logo is. Safe Moon, then Safe Moon Cash. I don't know how truthful that is. I don't think. I think they'll be big. I don't think they'll be Safe Moon big. To be quite honest with you, 40,000 followers on Twitter. That's big. That's big. One of the biggest things that these cryptos are trying to do now is they're trying to promote, you know, with other influencers. They're trying to promote themselves with other people and how everything has been going, you know. So the website does look cheap though, to be honest. They were live 12 hours ago. They were live 12 hours ago. All right, you know, good for them. I'll probably do another Safe Moon Cash update video. I do Safe Moon videos, update videos almost each and every single day. I don't think I've missed a Safe Moon update video in 2 weeks. Okay, and if I did miss it, it was probably because my daughter was sick or something like that. I've done Safe Moon Cash videos 2 to 3 times a week. I do a whole bunch of other like crypto videos and stock videos. I do a lot of videos, let's just say. I do, like, I'm going to start to do streaming. I'm going to try to do streams 5 times a week. I'm going to try to post 2 to 3 videos each and every day. All right, and if I don't, you know, something happened with the family or something like that, you know. So that's something I'm pretty much try to do right here. All right, so let's look before we end the stream. Do you guys have any other questions? Okay. Any other questions? 24-hour percentage. The biggest winner today is CeeLo, up 18.35%. Hollow or HOT, up 17.82%. Ethereum Classic, up 8.85%. Bitcoin Gold, up 3.77%. Let me see. Not too much cryptos are up today. All right, guys. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know what's up. Questions about stocks, cryptos, let me know. So I drink a lot of water because I've been talking. The stream's been going for around 42 minutes. All right. I've been talking nonstop for 42 minutes. I mean, that's a lot of talking. That's a lot of talking. I might have to do some jaw exercises after this. All right. So let me know. I know I'm talking for a little bit more because I know how YouTube has a huge delay in regards to the chats, in regards to responses. So if you guys do respond and, you know, something else happened, I do apologize for it. All right. But I want to give a big shout out to Dirty Trick. He actually kept me on my toes today. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So huge shout out to Dirty Trick. I don't see I have any other questions here. So I probably might end the stream. Guys, tomorrow around 5 o'clock, I'll do another live stream again. Give you guys another update to what's going on with the market. All right. Jack Crypto, can you look at XRP? So I talked about XRP already today. So XRP's movement, guys. XRP's movement. Come on, guys. Come on, making me look bad. Making me look bad in front of Jack. XRP, the 7th most valued crypto. All right. XRP is loading. I apologize, Jack, because my internet's kind of slow, man. My internet kind of slow, bro. All right, so XRP 7-day chart, right? they were down. At one point, they were down to around 70 cents, 65 cents, right? Let me know, Mr. Jack, did you buy more XRP? Are you a believer in XRP? Okay. I do. I've been doing XRP. I think like one every 2 weeks, just to give you guys an update to what's going on with the SEC case, to see what's actually going on. Yesterday, I talked about how I believe XRP could actually win that lawsuit versus the SEC, because everything that's actually been going on has been going into their favor, especially in regards to how the SEC cannot get certain files or certain information from XRP because they feel like it's not relevant to the case. So regards to that, like I just believe that there's not enough information or details in that case for the SEC to win. Okay, that's just from the details that's actually public. I don't know if there's any information that's private that's kept secret for them. I don't know. Right, but XRP, like I bought into XRP, like I said it last year when it was trading around 22 cents and 20 cents, and I've averaged up to around 26 cents because of my cousin. Right, I haven't bought more. I'm gonna be very honest. I haven't bought more because I just kind of want to see what goes on with this case. If I have to be like 90% sure they might have the upper edge versus the SEC that they will win the case. Because if they win, they'll probably get listed back on all these exchanges that they were taken out of. Like, you can't buy XRP on Coinbase, right? You could go to Coinbase right now. You could look at their chart. Cool, yeah, but it could help you with the information and the analysis and to see the movement and stuff. But can you buy it if you want to be an investor for XRP? Yeah, you can't right now. You know, like now there's some exchanges that are actually listing XRP now because of high demand, because people are protesting their exchanges to list XRP. Okay, Jack Crypto, how old are you? I am 26. 26, sir. Why? I look older? I look younger? I apologize. All right, so that's probably one big thing. All right. So that's probably one of the biggest things for XRP. Like I'm really on the edge to what's gonna happen with the case. So that, like, I just got to see XRP listed back on one big exchange, whether it's Kraken, Binance, Coinbase, or just one of the top 5 or the top 10, one of them, and I'll probably reconsider, because I'm pretty sure they're not gonna try to lose any money and listing into something that could be bad for the crypto world, right? So, I think XRP could probably do pretty good damage if they win the case. Like a lot of stuff does rely on the case. So if they end up losing the case, this price is gonna go to heck. It probably might go back down to 20 cents, less than that. So it might go less than that, man. Like, they have a market dominance of 2.7% of the 7th most valued crypto. And if they lose this case, they might drop out of the top 15, I believe, maybe in the top 20. They might drop all the way down. So a lot of stuff does rely on this case. There was a point. Let me see. It happened the past 3 months, right? There was a point where it almost reached $2. It was $1.82. Right, that was a huge price movement where a lot of people actually started to buy more XRP because people didn't believe into XRP, right? Around this price range was around the time where I started buying. Like around this time, it was May, April, and I started buying it's a XRP because of my cousin. Because my cousin told me, hey, get into XRP. XRP got potential. It had potential at 20 cents. I don't know if it has potential at 60 cents, 50 cents, 90 cents. Don't know. All depends on what's going on with the case. All right. So if anybody has any other questions, guys, please let me know. I'm gonna wait a couple seconds to see what's up. I've been drinking so much water, man. I got a pee soon. So I gotta wait a little bit. So I'm gonna just keep talking, and then if I stop and answer a question, if a question comes up, I do want to appreciate I think yesterday we had 20 people on the stream. which is not a lot. You know, I know. I just started to do streams. I kind of got the gist of it. I got myself a brand new mic right here, a Blue Yeti. Um, and I kind of like it. You know, technically it's just me talking to a lens, but I do appreciate, you know, the 10 of you that are here. I'm gonna be doing it more and more often. I'm doing it every day just to make sure you guys are more informed than anybody else. You know, so I do appreciate each and every one of you. So guys, that's pretty much it. I haven't gotten a question, so I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna work on some videos. I'll do a live stream tomorrow. Hope you guys do enjoy your day. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Have an awesome, blessed up day. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Bless out. Peace out. See you guys next time. Bye. Rock on, baby.